Pinky and Priya used to spend hours alone at home as both their parents, who are daily wage earners, went out for work. Taking advantage of their vulnerability, their landlord's son started sexually abusing them. He would show 7-year-old Pinky and 8-year-old Priya pornographic material and force them to perform oral sex, threatening them to keep quiet or face dire consequences. Unable to bear this anymore, the traumatized sisters finally broke down and narrated their ordeal to a neighbor, who contacted Bachpan Bachao Andolan for help.
In this case, we got a complaint on 29th of November 2020, where a girl, she complained that there are two little girls named Pinky and Priya. They have been sexually abused and they live in a locality.
With Bachpan Bachao Andolan's intervention, the children have received an interim compensation of 1,75,000 rupees. The accused is now out on bail. Concerned about the safety of children, as the accused and his family lived in the same locality, the siblings were relocated to a shelter home on directions of the Child Welfare Committee.
We took the case to Child Welfare Committee because वही कोई एक सेफ प्लेस को अलॉट करने के लिए ऑथराइज्ड है और उनको लगा कि हाँ बच्चों को अभी कहीं सेफ प्लेस पर रिलोकेट करना पड़ेगा, so they shifted them to a children's home.
First being sexually abused, then being separated from the family, the ordeal had a huge psychological impact on the children.
Unfortunately, the biggest impact on the victim child and the family is psychological and mental health at all levels, immediate, short-term and long-term. The immediate impact is of shame, guilt, terrible embarrassment and worse. Ever so often, suicidal thoughts occur in the child.
Like Pinky and Priya, thousands of victims of child sexual abuse reel under immense mental trauma every day and continue to suffer in silence. Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation's Justice for Every Child campaign aims to provide legal and mental health support to such victims across the country whose childhood has been robbed by sexual predators. Extend your helping hand and join the campaign to ensure child victims of rape and sexual abuse receive the much needed support as they fight for justice. With video journalist Azam Siddiqui and Varnika Mehta, Sonakshi Chakravarti for NDTV.